What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Whiteline Sway Bar kit that I bought for the 97 Impreza. I will start off with the front sway bar, which is a 22mm 2-point adjustable, and this thing it's solid, real solid. Love the quality of Whiteline. Now I'm gonna show you the rear, which is 24 millimeters thick, very strong. This one is 3-point adjustable. 1, 2, 3. The kit also came with front end links, as you see. Nice copper color to them. Real solid, real solid. And it came with the rear end links, which is same color, nice, thick, you already know. And of course it came with the bolts, washers, and nuts. Look like lock nuts and nuts. Now, the one thing I noticed this kit didn't come with was, which I got from Amazon. Good old Amazon. 1-day shipping on this, which I like. I didn't look at it yet. Was the stiffer, the sway bar, what you call them, holder, or the sway bar bracket, which is what I needed in the kit. I thought the kit came with it, but apparently it didn't. Let me get something to cut this. Oh, finally got it out the pack. The heavy duty sway, they call this heavy duty sway bar mounting bracket is what I needed. So it did come with the bushing part, but it didn't come with the bracket piece. So this is something you're going to definitely need when you order the Whiteline kit, and it came with instructions. So this is good. And so I didn't get this off eBay. I normally get a lot of my stuff off eBay, but not this. I got it off, what's the site? It's Elite something, but if you search it up online, you'll see they have the cheapest price for this. I paid $390. That include tax, which is a good deal considering everybody else wanted $400 to $450 or $500, some crazy number. But there you have it, the whole Whiteline kit, rear sway bar kit, and front sway bar kit, right there. Another thing I wanted to show y'all is the rear control arm kit that I bought off eBay. This one I did buy off eBay. $274, free shipping. From the description it said JDM sway bar, JDM rear control arm kit. So this is the rear control arm. As you can see the welds, pretty solid. Bushing, metal, nice and solid, not going nowhere. And then we have the bracket piece, nice and solid as always. See? Yep, good, nice and solid. So that's good. And now I have the rear. I think this is the trail arm link something like that. But you'll see. As always, good quality. I think it's adjustable, maybe. But yeah, nice and solid. Came with the bolts, everything. Gasket, the rubber piece. Solid. This solid as always. Orange with some red. You know, I try to keep the scheme simple. And then this is the lateral link arm. Once again, solid, real solid, thick, almost like polyurethane for a minute, but it's good enough. Solid. Once again, everything came with the bolts, which is good. I don't have to reuse the old ones, which I was afraid of, but everything's solid on this. Look like it's adjustable. I don't know. I think it is. Y'all let me know. Let me see. See. Maybe. But we'll see once we put it on. Once we could get the old stuff off, all this stuff will be going on. This is gonna make the car look really nice. Really nice from under the car. If you have any questions about anything I just showed you, or anything I bought, or you have any suggestions on something I should buy, let me know in the comment section. You know what I mean? I take all advice, good or bad. Doesn't really matter to me. If you have something you want me to try out on it, or you think it's gonna be good for the car, let me know, because I might go with it, but I might not, depending on what you say. But the rear brake conversion, that should be done soon. Hopefully, don't hold me to it, but it should be done soon. So once we get the brake line situation and all the old stuff off and all that, we'll be good to go. If you like this video, you like this content, and you want to keep following us, please do. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate everybody who watches me and Rich videos and help support us and help us, get some subscribers to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our channel and share our videos on your Facebook page. And as usual, Wrench Daily.